The opening day of the competition, accompanied by all the regular hope and expectation.
Hello, and welcome to
The
today's
entrants
match.
start together on the same line. Everybody has nothing. Previous editions of this competition have provided so much drama down the years, so much romance as well. This year's vintage will no doubt do the same. You can sense that extra spring expectancy in everybody's step, even those of the officials, so let us hope that it lives up to billing. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture-perfect for a game of this nature. We have already started here. Well, he's certainly caught him there, it's a free kick. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card. Spread out to the left. Nice interception, his positioning was spot on. Right, a poor pass, too easily intercepted. Fiddles it through, and that could set him on his way. Salah, he's got away. Well read, nice interception. Oh, that's well spotted. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. Oh, he's found support out wide. Casemiro gets over and intercepts. Clips it so gently. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there. Clearly is